Hello peeps, my name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you this wonderful open source machine learning based animation tool which is available at monstermash.zone. I will leave the link in the description below. And this is kind of a demonstration that I have with my mouse. If you have a graphic tablet and if you are a kind of artist or animator, you will be able to use your graphic cards or whatever tool you have to animate and draw better version of whatever you want. So this is how it works. Let me go ahead and show you how I did this quick animation using just mouse and these tools that you have on this website monstermash.zone. So now I'll go to draw and this is how I've drawn it. So I'm going to delete everything so that you can feel it how it works. So also this is available. This is completely open source version of this tool. They might have some additional features to it, but I think this is completely brand new project. So as soon as you launch to this website, they have lots of options here. You can go ahead and import templates and background images like that, but also you can save it, and there are a few more options here. So these are 3 steps that you can follow. You can simply go to draw or redraw. So I'll go to draw and then I can draw it. So I'm going to do a quick draw here, and this is just for the demonstration purpose. And let's say this is our character. Okay, now this is kind of single body. If you have to create something in pair like legs and hands, what we do, we simply create let's say this is our leg. Okay, and this is our, let's say this is our arm. So you have to double click on it to select it. This is to tell this tool that you want these parts in pairs. Now if you go to inflate, this will take its default things and create such a thing for us. You can see this is also a 3D thing. So completely awesome tool, and now I can go ahead and animate it. So let me animate it. So to animate it, we are going to use the 3rd button here. So go ahead and click on animate, and now you can create a point. So by double clicking, this is kind of animator point or animation point. Now this is a recorder, so basically this will follow your mouse wherever you drag this point. This will be kind of the line to go take this object. So I'm going to click on it, and now I can, you can see I can come here. This is animation point and create thing here, and this is going to be like that. Okay, so this was not very good animation. You can do whatever you want. Okay, now you can pause it and take the other leg, I guess, and then hit the recorder and take the, hopefully it's going to work. Let's see. So I'm going to play it. Okay, so because I'm doing this with mouse, I don't have the graphic tablet. So I got the idea. Now you can go to next and animate the hands. So I'm going to select this one, hit the recorder button, Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's very poor animation, and this is how it works. So let me. Okay, here we go. Let me play it. So if you're an animator, you would be able to kind of do better things with this tool. This is awesome. I don't have any option to change color, but this is how it works. This is machine learning based animation tool completely in the web browser, and this is also available on GitHub. Let me put the link in the description. So basically this is built with C++. Is it by? Oh, this is by Google. You see this? This is C++, JavaScript, C, HTML, CSS. And this uses this triangle library. You can read it here. This is Google project. Okay, so awesome product, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.